Muscle Shoals Police Chief stands with the Sheffield Police Chief in wanting changes to laws so that violent inmates do not get good behavior credit on their time served. WAAY 31's Brecken Terry spoke with the Muscle Shoals Police Chief about the efforts to change the laws and which lawmakers are on board. Brecken.
Muscle Shoals Police Chief Clint Rank told me he's spoken with Attorney General Steve Marshall as well as Senator Larry Stutz, who represents the Shoals area. Now, Rank told me that Stutz is interested in looking into what areas of the laws can change. Rank said that he stands with Sheffield Police Chief Ricky Terry, and both of those chiefs want to see lawmakers draft these bills and step up too. Now, Rank saw everything unfold last Friday. One of his officers was almost shot by Brian Martin. Bullets did hit Sheffield officers Max Dotson and Sergeant Nick Risner, who died a hero. But the man who shot them was out because of Alabama's good time law, which let him shave off almost 7 years of his 10-year sentence. Martin's original charge was murder, and he took a plea deal for manslaughter in 2013 for shooting his own father. Rank said something has to be done to stop violent people from getting out of prison or getting good time served.
If you get 10 years, do 10 years. That's not that hard. Don't give them good time for violent crimes. Other lesser crimes, if they get good time, rehabilitate them, that's great. Put them back out in society. But if you're in prison for a violent crime, do your freaking time. That's all I'm asking.
Martin had several infractions against him while in prison, from fighting and injuring another person to drugs and disobeying. Now, the good time law says because of these infractions, his good time could have been forfeited. Now, I asked the Department of Corrections if they did tack on any of that good time he had earned off because of these infractions, and they told me that these were minor infractions and that they added on 6 months to his sentence, but then reinstated all of his good time earned after a review. The Alabama Department of Corrections says that they did follow the law. Live in the Shoals, Brecken Terry, WAAY 31 News.